OM5 is a smartphone stabilizer. It can be used for both iPhone and Android. And basically what it does is it stabilizes footage when you're running around and your phone is moving and shaking. It stabilizes that footage. It also offers on the OM5 model an extension. So that's a new feature that comes with these DJI models. It also comes with an application, the DJI Mimo app. And basically, you can use this app to connect to the smartphone, and you have your own application for shooting videos and taking photos. So inside the box, you get the DJI OM5, you get the storage pouch, you get a tripod, a wrist strap, power cable, magnetic phone clamp, and the manual. Basically, you open it like this. So it opens. You have a whole bunch of QR codes and what's inside the box, some basic instructions here. When we open this, we get basic stuff like the guidelines, the quick start guide, which is fantastic. We can have a look at that. It's asking us to download the app first, which we have done. Then the second one is to unravel the stabilizer. So let's pick this up in the first time ever and have a look at it. Look at that, it's nice. The top part here is called the magnetic phone clamp. So that's what's attaching this button here, which is the shutter record button. Number 3 is the switch button. Right here we have the battery level indicator. We also have an attachment which can be added to stuff like the Manfrotto pod here. So I can actually attach other things here, which is kind of useful. An extension, but there are other extensions. So right here we have a system status indicator, which is the green light. So that tells us, indicating if it's connected to the app or not. The joystick here, so if you want to change like the direction that the gimbal's in, you can change it this way. So it's a control panel basically. If you wanted to attach a lanyard to the gimbal, that's how you use it. We've also got a zoom slider here. And obviously we've got the power button here as I turn on straight away. And as I explained it before, the technical term of this is the panning motor. And then over here is the tilting motor. We also have a roll motor here, so that swivels around. Yeah, we've got the Type-C charging port. When we take out this part of the box, it unravels more to the gimbal. So we have this right here. We've got a charging cable, which is the Type-C charging cable. We have the lanyard that attaches. You flatten that out, you actually push this through here, and then it connects. So now that you've got this big opening over here, what you can do is fit this through. Now your lanyard is attached. So now you can put this around your wrist, and then you basically just pull that through like that. Now you can have the DJI on your wrist like that. So that's handy to know. Next thing here, we have the mount for the phone to attach. So this just clamps on. It's pretty magnetic, so that's pretty cool. Let me show you that again. So that just goes like this. It just magnetically attaches. How amazing is that? You attach this to the camera, or your phone, sorry. You attach that there, you have it here, like that. Then you can magnetically just attach that to the gimbal, and now it's all connected. And then here, what we have is the bottom. So as I was saying before, how we have the bottom attachment. We can actually have a stand for the DJI OM5, which is pretty magnificent. The only other thing that comes in the bag is this nice DJI bag. So you just put it away like that, and you can put it in the bag. You do that. It's pretty great. Alright, so now that we have everything all set up, we have all the basics down, let's open the app and have a look. So inside the app, what we can do is select device. And then we have a Bluetooth connection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly turn this on just by pressing that button. And we have it right here, OM5 802 PWD. So let's connect. Let's see how long it takes. Shouldn't take too long. Connection failed. Try reconnecting to your DJI device 2. If you are unable to connect, let's try again. So if I have this, I can now connect it via pairing mode. And now I need to authorize my device. So it's asking for access to the camera and the microphone. We are in the app. So first try to move the gimbal back and forth or left to right. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to connect this to my phone. Started. So what I did was I pressed this button here. So the button that I pressed was this swivel button right here, and it got it to center. Next, try to record something, a video. So it says tap to record, so I'm going to do that. And now I've just passed, and it says, great, recording has started. Tap the recording button again to stop recording. So that's what I've done. So if I use the joystick left and right, it does this. And then it says double press the trigger. Okay. So what it does is it recenters the gimbal using this button. And now it's asking me to do an active track. So what I can do is press something and then move the screen. So now that is what's focused on. Now it's saying press the M button to switch to photo mode. So if I press the M button right here, what that does is it changes the mode of it. So it goes to video and photo mode using this app. So the red button is a shutter button. And now I've taken a photo using that button. So it's all very easy to use. So you can change the mode via the M button, use the red button to take a photo or a video if you're on photo mode. It's really easy to walk through with it. So I'll show you guys all the different shooting modes. And then also you can change the shooting settings here. And it also displays the battery level as well. So it's all really easy to use. I do like panoramic or something like that. You could do a 3x3 panoramic. Go on photo mode, story mode. Wow. So hold down this button and then you can now extend it all the way up as high as you want. That's pretty solid. So now you have that extension, which is a brand new feature for the DJI OM5s. Let's say, for example, the phone is not centered. We could just mess around with it a little bit. How do we recenter this thing? So what we can do is press this button here. So that then recenters it.